I'm a CB drug addict. Hey, Fireball, I'm 10-7. You can call me all you want. I ain't coming back this time. Bye.
Oh, I'll call you, Cat Picker. Hey, hey, Mr. Big Al. The reason why the whole world is calling you from the northwest corner to the southwest corner is you got a mall all over the west coast, Mr. Big Al, and not one station can do any talking when you on the key. I'm gone.
Hey, you a little kid. I don't care. Boy, when you got, hey, Fireball, I had the key now. When you got off that cat big and hammer, that cat big and dynamite white jumped down like
Goosebumps, and you know where 45 is supposed to be.
There it is right there. I so keyed. Hey, Mr. Big Al, you just key one more time, and you just tell him, man, sorry, Dynamite White, but Fireball's got that mall on your ass. Hey, Mr. Big Al, you can tell him Fireball's got that cut big and mall on your coattail. I'm gone.
got Big Al over on.
Hey, Fireball, Buffalo Soldier. Buffalo Soldier checking in. Hey, Fireball, Buffalo Soldier.
That cat big and Fireball got that cat big and hammer sucked so far in that little metal slot between your two back pockets. Boy, that cat bigger got that thing shelved so far up there, I can't even see that cat bigger's ears, man. You gotta watch Fireball. Hey, Dynamite White, this is all I got to say, is just watch Fireball. I'm 10-7.
That's a good one. Hey, Mr. Big Al, that's a good one. Thank you for passing that. I'm sitting back. Somebody else is calling me there, but I ain't gonna acknowledge you, man. That Big and Mr. Big Al just keyed out again. He won't let me talk to anybody either. Like I'm not letting him talk to anybody either. You see, I won't let him talk to Dynamite White or them Buzzard or any of them boys. But I can't acknowledge your station because you said Fireball something. And when Mr. Big Al keyed that mall down to tell that Big and Dynamite White something, boy, that Bigger had a hammer in my radio. Take care, Mr. Big Al. Homie the Clown. You got that mall down. I'm gone.
Boy, Dynamite White, 45. Bye-bye.
Yeah, what's going on, Buffalo Soldier? I'm here. Hey, Buffalo Soldier, old Fireball sitting right here, just reading the mail over here, no doubt about it. Hello to you, Buffalo Soldier. Fireball's waving.
Hey, come here. Without horns. That's all I want to know. Does he have horns or is he without horns?
I knew it, Cat Bigger. I wasn't even acknowledging you before because I knew old homie the Clown was going to key that Cat Bigger mall down, and he sure did just again. Hey, Buffalo Soldier, I got something I got to ask you, man. That Cat Big and Mr. Big Al, homie the Clown, he wanted to know how big your horns were. Hey, Buffalo Soldier. That Cat Big and homie the Clown wants to know if you got Cat Big and goat horns or deer horns. Break?
I can't tell, my
I want you to hear what he's saying, Fireball. I want you to hear what he's saying.
I can't hear him. Hey, we got a bunch of other stations that are talking to somebody else there, Mr. Big Al, but I can't hear Buffalo Soldier. I couldn't hear him even answer back. Hey, Big Al, I couldn't even hear him answer back, so I'm sitting back. You asked me, get out of there, asking me how big his horns are. If he has goat horns or deer horns, Mr. Big Al, homie the Clown, I'm gone. All right there, Buffalo Soldier. I heard you that time. Our conditions being moving around now. Hey, maybe this key it'll happen, or maybe the next key your horns will be cut off. But hello to you there, Buffalo Soldier. Yeah, old Mr. Big Al, he want to know what kind of horns you have. He want to know if you had deer horns, goat horns, or wannabe horns there, Break.
Pushing up, pushing up, pushing up, pushing up. All right, Dynamite White 45, pushing up. He on the key right now, I just cut his lips off. He ain't only got no horns, he ain't got no lips right now. Hey, Bobo, now he got two disabilities. He got a lip disability and he got a horn disability. Bye. Should stay in his life.
Hey, Buffalo Soldier. Mr. Big Al was on the driver a minute ago, and then you keyed up and cut his radio off a minute ago. Now he keyed that cop bacon mile down, cut your cop bacon lips off, said you got a cop bacon lip disability and a horn disability. Hey, Buffalo Soldier. Mr. Big Al said that you got a lip disability and a horn disability. I'm gone.
The caretaker tombstone. That's why he calling your name so loud. Hey, Bobo, I can hear
I got Buffalo home. Yeah, you gotta have that good.
Oh, man. What did you want me to ask Mr. Big Al? I think you said, I heard you, but it got a little rough there, Mr. Big Al. You said, ask Buffalo Soldier something, but I finally heard Buffalo Soldier a little bit when you got off that key there, Mr. Big Al. And you said, Buffalo Soldier said that he's got buffalo horns. Buffalo Soldier said he's got buffalo horns. But hey, Big Al, what you want me to ask Buffalo Soldier again? I forgot it.
I was asking you. They only thin, but they holler in the middle.
Oh man, no, I can't leave him on the mall. I don't leave people on the mall, Buffalo Soldier. I could have. Hey, Buffalo Soldier. Hey, Mr. Big Al. Buffalo Soldier keyed that mall down and cut your cop-bigger radio off, man. Hey, he cut your cop-bigger radio off. He said you can't ask him no more questions. He said there's going to be no more questions. There's just going to be a buffalo horn up your ass. Boy, man, Buffalo Soldier, I hope Mr. Big Al comes out there and cuts your cop-bacon lips off. All right, 10 Raj on that, Buffalo Soldier. You said I didn't come to fight, you came to talk. Hey, Buffalo Soldier, you said you didn't come to fight, you came to talk on that cop-bacon end, and you said it with authority, Buffalo Soldier. Where's your, what, you down there in the mag too, Buffalo Soldier? Fireball's being nosy for my video gate.
Pockets.
Yeah, I'm in the mag nose. I'm Buffalo Soldier, I know it. But I'm Buffalo Soldier, I know it. But I'm in the mag nose, I'm in the mag nose, no doubt about it. It's Buffalo Soldier, man, got down.
410, Buffalo Soldier, while you out there around the mag. You out there saying, he can't tell me nothing. He can't tell me nothing. Take care, Buffalo Soldier. You're doing some talking. You got that maul down. Fireball sitting back.
One more time for the march of dime. One more time for the march of dime.
Fireball, you're paying me on the west side. Buffalo Soldier in the Magnolia, New Orleans radio. Buffalo Soldier in the Magnolia, New Orleans radio. Fireball, Buffalo Soldier.
Was his right back. Hey, Dynamite White.
410, Buffalo Soldier. Take care. I'm sitting back reading the mail. I'm reading the mail on all you guys now. Some of these other boys might want to get their name called. Fireball, the man with the master plan, is gone.
Well, he shouldn't have run his ass off. He shouldn't have rolled the 5 and run his ass off. What the hell wrong with him? Hey, he been on the Super Bowl long enough. He don't just roll 1 5 and haul ass. That's bait. Take care, Wildcat. Tell King of the South have a good day. Wildcat, Skillet, can you hear me break? Hello, Dynamite White. Shut down, shut down, shut the station down, shut the station shoot now. Hey, Dynamite White 45 is shutting it down. Bye-bye.
Cat, I'll see ya. Bye-bye.